नमस्ते एवरीवन। वेलकम टू योगा विद यदुवीर। आज का जो सेशन है वो बिगनर्स और एडवांस दोनों के लिए ही होने वाला है। सो कम विथ मी, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। नमस्ते। सिट कंफर्टेबल इन ए मेडिटेटिव पोस्चर। अडॉप्ट चिन मुद्रा और ज्ञान मुद्रा। टेक डीप इनहेल एंड एक्सेल एंड जस्ट रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ. Relax your body and relax your mind. Detach yourself from outside world and come to the present moment only. Join your hand in front of the chest. One Omkara, inhale. And rub your palms placed on your eyes. Open your eyes, look at your palms. Hands on the knee, back straight. Inhale, take the chin up. Exhale, down, touch your chin to the collarbone. One more time, inhale, up, stretch your neck back. More and exhale, down, touch your chin to the collarbone. From here, rotate your neck from right to left. Try to make big circle. 3, 2, and 1. Opposite direction. 1, 2, and 3. Very nice. Interlock your finger in front of your chest. Inhale, take both hands up. And exhale, down. One more time, same thing. Interlock your fingers, take the hands up and stretch your shoulder and let massage. Stretch more and stay here. Exhale, down. Inhale one more time, up and bend towards the right side. Feel the lateral left side. Inhale, come to the center and exhale, bend towards the left side. Inhale, center and exhale, down. Inhale, put the fingers on the shoulder, elbow in front of the chest and elbow rotation from front to back, back to front. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, from front to back. 3, 4 and 5. Very nice. Take both hands shoulder level. Inhale, put the right elbow down, bend towards the right side, left hand straight. Feel the left side of lateral. Shoulder level. Inhale, exhale. This time put the left elbow down and right hand straight. Inhale, both hands shoulder level. Exhale, down. Hands in front of the chest. Put the left hand on the right knee, right hand back and look back. Inhale, come to the center. Right hand on the left knee and left hand back. Look back. Inhale, come to the center. One more time. Left hand on the right knee, right hand back. Look back. With every exhalation, go deep and deep. Feel the twist in the spine. Inhale, come to the center and exhale, other side. Hold it. And with every exhalation, go deep and deep. Very nice. Inhale, center, exhale, down. Join your both the feet. Come to butterfly position, Baddha Konasana, and flip your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, both hands up. Put the right elbow down. Take the left hand up. Inhale, come to the center. This time change the hand. Left hand down and take the right hand up. Left elbow down. Inhale, come to the center. One more time. Right elbow down, take the left hand up, open shoulder more and more. Very nice, you're doing very good. Inhale, come to the center. Left hand down, left elbow down, take the right hand up and hold it here. Superb. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, stretch your body up and exhale. Try to put your head on the toes. One more time. Inhale, come up and exhale down. Touch your head on the toe or on the mat and hold it here. Inhale, come up and exhale down. Slowly come on your knee, come to tabletop position. Yes. Inhale, take the chin up and exhale down. Touch your chin to the collarbone, hunch back, feel the whole spine. Inhale one more time. Chin up, squeeze the belly, belly down. Exhale, touch your chin to the collarbone and hunch back. One last time. Inhale up. Cat and cow position. Hold it here and exhale down. Hold it here. From here, take the right leg out. Engage core and left leg up. Left hand and right leg up. Stretch your body up. Engage core muscle. Hold it here. And catch your right leg with the left hand. Stretch your body up. Stretch more and more as much as you can. Stay here and exhale down. Change your hand and leg. This time take the left leg out. Right, extend your right hand and hold it here. Stretch your body more and more. Take the left leg up. Now catch your left leg with the right hand and your body stretch more and more up. Hold it here and exhale down. Slowly stand on your knee. Inhale, take both hands up, arch back, arch more. Exhale, bend forward, open your hand, head towards the mat. Inhale one more time, open your hand and arch back. And exhale, open your hands, head towards the mat and hold it here. Inhale, come up, both hands up. This time put the right hand on the right heel. Arch with the left hand, push the belly front, push the hip front, drop the head back. Inhale, both hands up and left hand on the left heel, push the hip front, arch with the right hand. Inhale, take both hands up and this time put the right hand one more time and arch with the left hand and hold this time. Stay here, be strong, don't give up. Very nice. Inhale, both hands up. Put the left hand on the left heel, push the hip front, drop the head back and arch with the right hand and hold it here. Inhale, come up and take the right leg 45-degree out of the mat. Inhale, both hands up, turn your body towards the right leg. Both hands down, touch your head towards the knee. Inhale, come up and put the left hand down, arch with the right hand, put the left hand left side down, arch with the right hand. Inhale, both hands up, one more time, same thing. Drop your head down, head towards the right knee and hold it here. Inhale, both hands up, left hand down, left side, arch with the right hand and hold it this time. Inhale, come up, exhale down, change your leg, take the left leg out. Inhale, both hands up, turn towards the left side. Exhale, bend forward, head towards the left knee. Slowly go down. Inhale, come up. Put the right hand down, right side, and arch with the left hand. Inhale up and exhale, same thing. Bend towards the left knee, head towards the knee, slowly go deep. Yes, push your body down, stay here. Inhale, come up. This time put the right hand on the right side and arch with the left hand and hold it. Inhale and exhale. Come to tabletop position. From there go to mountain. Mountain, slowly give small movement with your heels. First press the left heel, then right heel. Left and right, left and right. Do it. And jump forward. Come to Hastpadasana. Inhale, arch back. Hastottanasana. Arch more and more. And from here exhale one more time. Bend forward. Head towards the knee. And then hands on the mat. Jump back. Come to Dandasana. Chaturanga. Inhale, Bhujangasana. And exhale, we'll go to mountain. Press your head and heel down. From here, take the right leg up in the sky and place in between the palms. Take both hands up and high lunges, arch back, arch more and more, and turn towards the left side. Come to Bhadrasana 2. Both the hands shoulder level. Look at your right hand. 90 degree between the right leg and calf. Stay here. Slowly put the right hand down, left hand straight. Parshukonasana. Hold it here. Very nice. Stay and breathe. Stay strong. Slowly come back. Put the both hands down. Head towards the knee and hold it here. Put down your forehead on your knee. Slowly take the right leg back. Come to Dand, Chaturanga. Inhale Bhujang and exhale mountain. This time take the left leg up in the sky and place in between the palms. Slowly arch back with both hands. Arch back, high lunges and hold it here. Very nice. Stay strong. And come to Bhadrasana 2 with other leg, left leg. Both the hands shoulder level. Look at your left hand. Slowly drop your left hand down and Parshukonasana. Your right leg, your body and left hand should be in one line. Very nice. You're doing very good. Stay strong. Put both hands down. Head towards the knee and stay here. Try to straighten both the knees as much as you can. Slowly take the left leg back. Come to Dand. Go down Chaturanga. Inhale Bhujang. And exhale mountain. From here jump front and come to the sitting posture. Extend both the legs front. Take the right leg on the left thigh. Inhale both hands up. Exhale bend forward, catch your left leg, left toe. Push your body down. Stay here. Very nice. Stay with every exhalation, go deep. Inhale both hands up. Change the side. Take the left leg on the right thigh. Inhale, stretch your body up. Exhale, bend forward. Stay and breathe. With every exhalation, go deep and deep. Straight your both the legs. Slowly come back. Lie down and take the hip region up. Both the legs up. Push your hip with your both hands and come to Sarvangasana. Stay here. Slowly come down. Both hands up. Extend your leg front and Paschimottanasana. Hold it here and relax your body. Go deep and deep. Your body is fully warmed up now. Slowly lie down on your back. Catch your both big toe and rotation with your leg. Baby pose. Happy baby pose. Rotation and hug your both the knees. Yes, do rocking forward. Massage your back. We are almost done. And lie down in Savasana. Best asana. Just relax yourself. Feel proud on yourself for the wonderful session. Slowly observe your breath. Relax your body and mind. And bring your attention towards the feet. Relax your feet, then calf, then knee, then thighs, glutes and pelvic. Relax your abdominal, chest, shoulder, arms and fingers, and relax your facial muscle. Stretch your body from head to toe, interlock your finger up, bend your left knee, turn towards the right side, and slowly come to the sitting posture. Namaskar. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining me for this Sunday session. नेक्स्ट सेशन कैसा हो उसके लिए आप कमेंट करके बताइए, तो उस हिसाब से मैं नेक्स्ट सीक्वेंस प्रिपेयर करूँगा। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट संडे को। धन्यवाद।